Hi guys, hope you're all safe and keeping well, and a big shout out to Earth class. Hey! So today we're going to do some Play-Doh work for our fine motor skills. So I've got 2 tubs of Play-Doh, or you can make your own. I believe there is a link on the Northway YouTube channel showing you how to make the best Play-Doh. I've also got some rolling pins, some cutters, a plastic or wooden knife, and I've got a Play-Doh mat. So first we're going to open our Play-Doh. It's got 2 lovely colours here. I've got purple, whoa, and I've got some green Play-Doh, green. And first we're going to start by making some balls. So we're going to roll. We're going to roll the balls in our hands on the table. So there's our first one. Let's do another ball. So roll. That's it, keep rolling. Roll. So I've got purple, got 1, 2 purple balls, and we'll do some green balls. Ooh. So squeeze my Play-Doh and we're going to make some balls. So roll. Let's keep rolling. There we go. A green one. Let's do another green one. Roll. So you can use your hands or the table. There we go. So we've got 2 purple, 1, 2, and we've got 2 green, 1, 2. Right, and here comes the fun bit. Ready, steady, splat! Woo! Should we do that again? Ready, steady, splat! 2 splats. Ready, steady, splat! That's number 3. And 1 for luck. Ready, steady, splat! Right, so after all that fun with our splatting, we're going to make some sausages now. So we still need our Play-Doh, and this time we're going to use a knife. So a wooden knife or a plastic knife will do. So we'll take our Play-Doh and we're going to roll some long sausages. Sit nice and long. There we go. So I've got 2 purple sausages. Ooh. Right, we take our knives. Now we're going to cut our sausages. Are we ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got the second one. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's all our sausages, and once we've got our little sausages, we can pick them all up. And ready, steady, squeeze, and squeeze all the pieces back together. Right, now moving on. That was good cutting for the sausages, guys, well done. Now we're gonna use our cutters and our rolling pin, and we're gonna make some shapes. So flatten your Play-Doh down, that's it, nice and flat, and then take your rolling pin and roll it out, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Turn it round, slip backwards, forwards. That's almost like you're making a pancake, nice and thin. So which one shall I use first? Go on, I can't hear you shouting. You need to shout a little bit louder. Which shape should I use first? Butterfly. Someone said butterfly. So we'll start with the butterfly. Let's push him down. Ooh. That's it, take out the shape. Ooh. A nice green butterfly. Right, what's the next shape, guys? Remember, you need to shout really loud so I can hear you at Northway. What's our next shape? Do we want the elephant or the duck? Duck. I heard someone say duck. That was very loud and clear, so well done. So we're going to do the duck. Let's press him down. That's it. Oh, there we go. Oh. That's it. One little duck. Quack, quack. Right. Got 3 left. So what's next? Are we going to have the tree or the tractor? Are you ready to shout? 3, 2, 1. Tree. That was a really good one. We're going to go with the tree. Let's push the tree down. That's it. Lift that up. Take it out. A nice green tree. Right, 2 left. Right, we've got a tractor or an elephant. Which one, guys? Ready, steady, shout. Elephant. Pink elephant. Alright, let's do our pink elephant then. Push him down. Oh. There we go. The pink, oh, not a pink elephant. He was pink there, he's now green. Green elephant. And last but not least, it's the tractor. So there we go. Ooh. So, tractor. So we've got the tree, the butterfly, elephant, duck, and tractor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so now we've finished with our Play-Doh cutters. We're going to use a Play-Doh mat. So I've got one of a butterfly and it's from the Hungry Caterpillar. You can get Play-Doh mats off of Twinkle, and I believe that they're doing a free account at the moment for parents. So if you just go on the Twinkle website and have a look. If not, you probably can Google Play-Doh mats and then just print them off, and then you're free to just do what you need to do. So in my Play-Doh mat, it says use your Play-Doh to make wings for the butterfly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give the butterfly some lovely wings. And this is where it's really handy. If you've got 2 or 3 colours, then you can make a colourful butterfly, which is what I'm going to do now. So I'll start with the green. So I'm going to make some sausages again. Remember our sausages from earlier? So I'm just going to roll my Play-Doh. Roll, 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 roll. That's it. So there's one wing. There you go. Roll, 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 roll. Keep rolling. So we want some nice long sausages to make some nice wings. Ooh. So there we go. So that's one half of the butterfly. That's it. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Nice long sausages. There we go. Roll, 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 roll. Wing number 3. And the last one. Roll, roll, roll. That sausage, lovely long sausage. Wing number 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 wings. Now I'm going to use my purple Play-Doh, and we're going to roll some teeny tiny balls to put inside the wings. So I need to break it little bits off and then we just roll them in our hands. And then we can put them inside. Look, there we go. 1. Roll, roll, roll. 2. 3. And 4. So there is my beautiful butterfly. So I hope you've enjoyed that, guys. Keep safe and see you all soon. Bye.